Do you know the right way to massage your baby? Today, we're going to explore that. Nurturing touch is a naturally rewarding way to relieve stress for both you and your little one. The art of baby massage can improve your child's sleep patterns, aid digestion, and even strengthen your bond. It's a gentle method that holds a myriad of benefits, yet it's crucial to do it right. So let's learn together, shall we? Stay tuned as we delve into the art of baby massage. Before we start, there are a few things you need to prepare. First, find a warm and quiet environment. This will help your baby relax and enjoy the massage. Remember, your baby's comfort is paramount, so make sure the room temperature is just right. Next, you'll need a comfortable surface for your baby. This could be a changing table, a bed, or even a towel on the floor. Just make sure it's soft and safe for your little one. Now let's talk about what you'll use for the massage. A suitable oil or lotion is essential. It should be gentle on your baby's skin and free of any harsh chemicals. Some parents prefer using unscented products to avoid any potential irritation. Lastly, ensure that your baby is calm and not hungry or overly full. The best time for a massage is often after a nap or bath when your baby is already relaxed. Now that we're all set, let's get started on the massage. First, we're starting with the legs as they're less sensitive than other areas. Now imagine you're holding a delicate piece of art. That's how gentle your touch should be. Start at the thigh, using your hands to envelop it fully. Apply just enough pressure so your baby can feel your touch, but not so much that it's uncomfortable. Slowly, begin moving your hands down the thigh in a rhythmical manner as though you're kneading dough. This technique helps stimulate your baby's muscles and nerves, promoting better mobility and flexibility. As you reach the knee, be mindful to be extra gentle. This area can be a bit ticklish for some babies. Continue your downward journey, now onto the calf. Maintain the same firm but gentle touch like a soft whisper of a breeze on a warm day. When you reach the ankle, give it a gentle squeeze. But remember, we're not trying to tickle our little ones here. This is a great way to stimulate circulation in those tiny feet. Now you might be wondering why all this emphasis on slow, gentle movements. Well, this is because slow, rhythmic touch helps your baby feel safe and secure and can even help them sleep better. It's also a great way to bond with your little one as you're communicating your love and care through your touch. Don't forget to maintain eye contact with your baby throughout the massage. This not only strengthens your bond, but also lets your baby know that they have your undivided attention. It's crucial to respond to your baby's reactions. If they show signs of discomfort, lighten your touch or move on to a different area. And here's something important to keep in mind. Every baby is unique. Some might enjoy a slightly firmer touch, while others prefer a feather-light stroke. So always be attuned to your baby's reactions and adjust your technique accordingly. Remember, every baby is different, so adjust your technique based on their response. After all, this massage is a special time for both of you to connect, relax, and enjoy each other's company. Next, we're going to move on to the arms and chest. Massaging the arms of your baby can be a soothing experience for both of you. Start by gently holding the baby's wrist with one hand, while your other hand supports their arm. Begin at the shoulder and use long, smooth strokes that glide down towards the wrist. Remember to keep your touch soft and comforting, mirroring the rhythm of your own heartbeat. Just like the legs, you want to use a milking motion on the arm. Imagine you're gently squeezing a tube of toothpaste from the bottom up. This technique helps to stimulate blood flow and can be very calming for the baby. Now let's move on to the chest. The chest is a sensitive area, and the key here is to be gentle. Start at the sternum, the center of the chest. With the tips of your fingers, make small circles, then slowly move out towards the shoulders. Your strokes should be soft and feathery, almost like you're tracing a butterfly's wings across your baby's chest. While massaging, it's important to remember that your touch should be light. Avoid applying direct pressure on the chest. And of course, if your baby seems uncomfortable at any point, you can always adjust your technique or move on to a different area. Massaging the chest not only helps soothe your baby, but it can also stimulate the thymus gland, which plays a crucial role in your baby's immune system. So, you're not just providing comfort, you're also supporting their health and development. These techniques, when done regularly and with love, can help your baby to relax. It's a wonderful way to bond and communicate with your little one. And who knows, it may even improve their sleep, giving you a few more precious moments of rest. These techniques can help your baby to relax and may even improve their sleep. Now, let's move on to the back and tummy. Massaging these areas can be soothing and beneficial for your little one. Just remember, the key is to be gentle and responsive to your baby's reactions. Let's start with the back. First, you'll want to carefully turn your baby onto their tummy. Make sure they're comfortable and safe. You can place a soft pillow or rolled up towel under their chest for added support if needed. Now take some baby-friendly oil or lotion in your hands, rub them together to warm it up. Start at the nape of the neck and use your fingers to make long, gentle strokes down to the buttocks. You can repeat this motion a few times, moving your hands in a rhythm that creates a soothing pattern. It's important to note that your touch should be light, but firm enough to be felt. If your baby shows any signs of discomfort, ease up on the pressure or move on to a different area. Now let's focus on the tummy. This area can be a bit tricky because it's where all the digestion happens. A good massage here can help relieve gas and constipation. Here's a simple technique. Place your hand at the navel and gently massage in a clockwise direction. This follows the natural path of digestion. Use a circular paddling motion as if you're lightly stirring a pot of soup. Remember, the tummy is a sensitive area. Never apply too much pressure. If your baby seems uncomfortable or starts to squirm, it's best to move on to a different area or try again later. Another thing to keep in mind is to always keep one hand on your baby. This not only ensures their safety, but also helps maintain a connection, making the massage a comforting and bonding experience. By now, your baby should be feeling relaxed and comfortable. Massaging the back and tummy not only soothes your baby, but also provides a wonderful opportunity for you to bond with your little one. So take your time, follow your baby's cues, and most importantly, enjoy this special time together. After the massage, it's important to wrap up the session properly. You've been in a shared moment of tranquility with your little one, and it's essential to ease them back into their usual routine gently. This is a time for cuddling and soothing, a seamless transition from massage to the next part of your baby's day. One of the best ways to end a massage session is with a cuddle. Holding your baby close, enveloping them in your warmth is an extension of the loving touch you've been providing. This closeness further strengthens the bond between you and your baby, a bond that is so crucial in these early stages of life. In the same vein, you could consider following the massage with a warm bath. The warm water can continue the calming effects of the massage, helping to further relax your little one. Plus, it's a wonderful opportunity for some playful splashing for those babies who are feeling a little more energetic post-massage. Feeding your baby after a massage can also be a comforting experience for them. Whether it's breast or bottle feeding, this can be an extension of the nurturing touch they've just experienced, providing further comfort and satisfaction. So how do you know if your baby enjoyed the massage? Well, every baby is different, but there are some common signs to look out for. A relaxed body is a good indicator. If your baby's limbs are loose and floppy, this suggests they're feeling calm and content. Cooing or smiling during or after the massage are also positive signs. These little sounds and expressions are your baby's way of communicating their pleasure and enjoying the experience. In conclusion, wrapping up the massage and providing aftercare are just as important as the massage itself. It's about continuing the loving touch and making sure your baby is comfortable and content. Remember, baby massage is not just about technique, it's also about loving touch and bonding with your baby. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. First, we discussed how to prepare for the massage, setting a calm environment for you and your baby. We then dove into the massage techniques for the arms, chest, back, and tummy. Remember, gentle circular motions are key. Lastly, we covered the importance of aftercare, like cuddling and soothing your baby post-massage. With these techniques, you're well on your way to mastering the art of baby massage. Thanks for watching and happy massaging.